Visit my website for more recipes. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video and definitely give the recipe a try. This tamarind potato salad is surprisingly good. If you've never heard of tamarind before, it is a fruit. It's an odd looking fruit, but it's a fruit and it's sour and it adds an amazing flavor to foods when you mix that sour tamarind with other things to mellow out the sour flavor, like some sweetener, like what I did, a little bit of olive oil, and just something to cut the sourness but still allow you to taste the tamarind, because you definitely want to taste the tamarind. It's so good. But yeah, I just wanted to share a different type of potato salad for you all. It's light, it's refreshing, and I think you all will love it. So yeah, I hope you give it a try. Save the recipe, save it on Pinterest if you use Pinterest, and check out the written recipe on my website, daytimevegan.com. I will see you in the next one. Bye.